Hey everybody, Mr. Vanderkalk here. I want to make a quick video about citation generators. Way back in the day when I was a kid, and we made a citation for a works cited page, we had to look up in the manual that you put the author's last name and then you put this in italics and you put a period here and you put a date here, and that was a pain in the butt. Today we have the internet. Thank you, internet. And it makes our life so much easier. So when you find material that you need to cite and you need to put on a works cited page, I highly recommend you use a citation generator. The one that I have here on the screen is called CiteFast. It's nice, it's free, you don't have to pay anything for it. You can to get a better version, but you don't have to. It saves things for a little while. It does all the different style guides, all the different things that you can cite, you name it, it does it. So here we go, let's take a look at how it works. First, you want to select MLA8, and most of you will always be finding information on a web page. Okay, you might find a book, and here's a whole bunch of other options too. You know, if you television or radio, whatever, it's all there. Okay, so I'm writing a paper, let's say, about making English the language of the world. Okay, and one of my reasons is going to be, it should be, because global business already uses English as its language, and there's a nice article here by a guy named Neely. It's in the Harvard Business Review, so it's very reliable. So let's say I'm going to put information from this article in my writing, so I have to cite it. First thing I want to do to use this is to just copy and paste the URL into the citation generator and find it. Poof. And CiteFast finds it for me. It fills in as much as it does. Sometimes it misses some things. For example, you'll see here it missed the author. So we got to put Sadal. Last name was Neely, N-E-E-L-Y. I think maybe it was E-Y. You know, that's the kind of thing you want to check. Yep, it's E-Y, because you want to spell the name right. All right, so Sadal Neely, the last date it was modified, it picked up the title. The website and the publisher are the same, so you only need it once. We're going to say we accessed it today. Here's the URL. It shows you the current citation down here on the bottom, and if I click Save, it will put it in this box right here. And if you had a whole bunch of them, they'd all be in this box, okay? And the nice thing is, to put this onto a works cited page, all you got to do is click Copy and Paste, and it will show you the citation. You can just copy it, take it to your works cited page, paste it on. It even does this little neat thing where the first line is at the margin and the next line is indented. That's called a hanging indent, and it does that correctly for you. So it's very nice. But what about in-text citations, the parenthetical citations, the stuff in parentheses? It even shows you that. Click on this little in-text button, and it will show you for this work exactly what to put in an in-text citation. It's just the author's last name. So, and you put it in. Boom. Super easy to do. CiteFast is one of many of these. There's something called EasyBib. There's Citation Machine and a host of others. Most of them eventually get you to a paywall. CiteFast usually doesn't. If you don't know how to use one of these, figure it out, because it saves your life so much time when you're doing some research-based writing. So that's it. I think that's all I got to say on this one. So hey, I'm out. See ya.